Ever stared at your Newton balance, those digital dollars and cents, and wondered how to bridge the gap between the crypto world and your everyday spending power? You're not alone. For many Canadians navigating the exciting, yet sometimes complex, landscape of cryptocurrency, the question of how to actually use those investments in the real world is a big one. You've likely bought your Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other digital assets on Newton, watched their value fluctuate, and now the time has come to realize some of those gains, pay a bill, or simply move funds to where you can readily access them. Perhaps you're planning a significant purchase, need to cover unexpected expenses, or you're simply at a point where you want to take some profits off the table. Whatever your reason, the desire to move funds from your Newton account to your traditional bank account is a natural and important step in your crypto journey. It signifies the tangible connection between the digital assets you hold and the fiat currency that fuels your daily life here in Canada. The good news is that Newton, a popular Canadian cryptocurrency platform, makes this process relatively straightforward. They understand that seamless transitions between crypto and fiat are crucial for user experience and the broader adoption of digital currencies. However, like any financial transaction, understanding the steps involved, potential fees, and important considerations is key to ensuring a smooth and successful transfer. Think of your Newton account as a digital vault holding your cryptocurrency. Your bank account, on the other hand, is your everyday wallet. Transferring funds is essentially moving money from that vault into your wallet. This process involves a few key steps, each designed to ensure the security and accuracy of your transaction. So, how exactly do you bridge this gap? How do you take those digital assets held within your Newton account and convert them into Canadian dollars readily available in your bank account? Let's break down the process step by step, ensuring you have a clear understanding of how to move your money from Newton to your bank. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, it's crucial to have a few things in order. First and foremost, you need to have a verified Newton account. This means you've completed the necessary identification and verification processes required by Newton to comply with Canadian regulations. This is a standard procedure for any financial platform and helps ensure the security of your account and the broader financial system. Secondly, you need to have a bank account linked to your Newton account. This is the destination for your funds. When you initially set up your Newton account, you would have been prompted to link a bank account. This typically involves providing your bank name, branch transit number, bank account number, and financial institution number. Ensure this information is accurate and up to date. Any discrepancies could lead to delays or complications in your withdrawal. Finally, it's wise to familiarize yourself with any potential fees associated with withdrawals and the processing times involved. While Newton often boasts low fees, it's always best to be aware of any charges that might apply to your transaction. Processing times can vary depending on the volume of transactions and the processing times of your bank, so patience can sometimes be required. Alright, with those prerequisites in mind, let's get into the actual steps of transferring your funds. Step 1. Access your Newton account. The first step is simple: log into your Newton account. You can do this either through their website on your computer or via their mobile application on your smartphone or tablet. Ensure you are using your correct login credentials, your registered email address, and password. For added security, if you have enabled two-factor authentication, 2FA, you will also need to enter the verification code generated by your authenticator app. This extra layer of security is highly recommended to protect your funds. Step 2. Navigate to the Withdraw section. Once you are logged in, you'll need to locate the Withdraw or Transfer section within the Newton platform. The exact location of this button or menu item might vary slightly depending on whether you are using the web interface or the mobile app, but it is usually found within your account dashboard or wallet overview. Look for options related to sending or moving funds. Step 3. Select CAD or Canadian dollars. Since you want to withdraw funds to your Canadian bank account, you will need to select the option to withdraw Canadian dollars, CAD. Newton allows you to hold various cryptocurrencies, so it's crucial to specify that you want to withdraw your fiat currency balance. If you currently hold your funds in cryptocurrency, you will first need to sell that cryptocurrency for CAD within the Newton platform before you can initiate a CAD withdrawal. This usually involves navigating to the Trade or Exchange section, selecting the cryptocurrency you wish to sell, and trading it for CAD. Step 4. Choose your linked bank account. After selecting CAD as the withdrawal currency, you will be presented with a list of your linked bank accounts. Choose the bank account where you want the funds to be deposited. Double-check that you are selecting the correct account to avoid any errors. If you haven't already linked a bank account or need to add a new one, you will typically be prompted to do so at this stage. This will involve providing your bank details as mentioned earlier. Be meticulous in entering this information to ensure the funds reach the correct destination. Step 5. Enter the withdrawal amount. Next, you will need to specify the amount of Canadian dollars you wish to withdraw from your Newton account. Carefully enter the desired amount. Be mindful of any minimum or maximum withdrawal limits that Newton might have in place. These limits are usually displayed clearly on the withdrawal page. Also, consider any potential fees that might be deducted from your withdrawal amount. Step 6. Review and confirm your withdrawal. Before finalizing your withdrawal, you will be presented with a summary of your transaction. This will typically include the withdrawal amount, the destination bank account, and any applicable fees. Take a moment to carefully review all the details to ensure they are correct. Once you are satisfied, you can proceed to confirm your withdrawal. You may be asked to enter your password again or complete a two-factor authentication step as an added security measure. Step 7. Wait for processing. Once you have confirmed your withdrawal, the request will be processed by Newton. The processing time can vary. Newton often processes withdrawals relatively quickly, but the time it takes for the funds to appear in your bank account can also depend on your bank's processing times. It's not uncommon for withdrawals to take anywhere from a few hours to a couple of business days. Keep an eye on your Newton account for updates on the status of your withdrawal. You might receive an email notification once the transaction is complete. Important considerations and tips. Fees. Always be aware of any potential withdrawal fees. Newton's fee structure may change, so it's a good practice to check their official website or fee schedule for the most up-to-date information. Understanding these fees will help you accurately calculate the net amount you will receive in your bank account. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.